Our involvement with the film industry probably started 5 or 6 years ago. We've helped with multiple Mad Max movies, the franchise, as well as Fall Guy. So there's been a few different films. We got introduced to the process by another local fabricator. They actually put the production company onto ourselves because their skill set was more in metal rolling and bending, which we can do here, but we had the added advantage of laser cutting. So what I've got here are just a couple of props that would have been ultimately used within the movie. I don't know where exactly they ended up, but here we've got a larger skull design. This is obviously a smaller disc. I believe we actually cut one at almost 900 diameter, so a lot bigger in size. The smaller skull design, we would have cut hundreds of them. Their talented team of prop experts would have manipulated the parts beyond just a flat shape and given it even more character again. Parts like this, maybe they've welded it on or stitched it into a fabric or something. Maybe one on a car or a bike, I'm just guessing. But some of the larger items, which are too big for me to hold, ultimately they ended up, I think, on vehicles like the war rig and stuff. Because the team that produce the parts as props, they're so talented in what they do. A lot of the items to you or I would actually just look quite mundane. These have a bit more character, but some of them might have just been hubs going on the wheel of a car, so just a circle with some holes, which we cut flanges all the time. So there's obviously a level of creativity in some of them, and others you could just mistaken as just any old metal fabricated part. So someone's already designed all this. They send it through to us ready to go in a DXF file, which we can then import into our software here to then program it. Having that metal heavy duty is obviously something that they're looking for. Me personally, I love films, I do like movies. Finding out that we're doing something and we're assisting with not only Australian production and manufacturing, but doing something that's cool and it's a little bit more unique. Myself and the guys here were very proud of being a part of it. And sure enough, when the movie had come out, I was obviously looking for the more unique shapes that we'd cut.